In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to merge Notion databases with each other. By the end, you'll know the simplest built-in way to bring items from one database into another, so everything lives in one place. First, open the database that currently holds the items you want to move. Think of this as your source database. It's best to open it as a full page so you can clearly see the view you're working in. Make sure the view is showing exactly what you want to merge. If the view is filtered, only the visible items will be affected, which is perfect when you want to be selective. Also, make sure you have edit access to both the source and the destination databases, since moving items requires permission in each. Next, click the checkbox at the very top of the leftmost column to select all items in the current view. This instantly highlights everything you see on screen, saving you from clicking rows one by one. Keep in mind that it only selects what's visible in this view. Anything hidden by filters won't be included in the move. Sorting doesn't change what gets selected. It just changes the order in which you're seeing the items. With your items selected, look for the three dots, the More Actions menu. Depending on your layout, you'll see it in the selection toolbar that appears, or at the top right of the database. This menu is where Notion groups bulk actions for selected pages. You'll find options like Duplicate Archive and the one we want for combining databases. Choose Move to Other Database page. Notion will prompt you to pick the destination database, and once you confirm, it moves the selected pages into that database. This is a true move, not a copy, so those items leave the source and appear in the target. Notion keeps your page content intact and, where possible, aligns properties with fields in the destination. Matching property names and types usually map cleanly. If a field doesn't exist in the target or uses a different type, Notion handles it as best it can, and you may notice new options created in the target or some values appearing differently. Relations and rollups depend on compatible setups in the destination, so expect them to reflect the target database's structure. That's the entire merge flow. Open the source database, select everything in view, open the More Actions menu, and move to the destination database. It's quick, reliable, and ideal for consolidating similar tables, unifying duplicate trackers, or cleaning up workspace sprawl. Thanks for watching, and enjoy your streamlined Notion setup.